Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the files and launching Power Query because this is the only reliable, repeatable method. Open Excel, save and close the source workbook so Power Query can access them. This prevents file locks. Next, go to the Data tab, choose Get Data, then from File and from Workbook, or use from Folder if you have many files. Once done, select the file you need. Make sure to load into the Power Query editor so you can transform and combine consistently. You now transform and connect the tables because clean keys are what make merges reliable. In the Power Query editor, set column data types, trim text, and fix headers. This prevents mismatches. Next, decide, use append to stack similar tables or merge to join related data. When merging, pick the matching key columns in each query and choose the join kind, left for preserving primary rows, inner for only matches. Once chosen, expand the merged table to bring in needed columns. You finish by loading the combined query and setting refresh behavior so updates flow automatically. Close and load to your worksheet or the data model. Name the query for clarity. Then configure query properties, enable refresh on open, set background refresh, or schedule refresh via Power BI/Power Automate if needed. If something goes wrong, stop and check data types, header alignment, and leading/trailing spaces. Fixing those common issues almost always resolves merge errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.